How to find and select cells with specific font size. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent trick. So here is the scenario. We have a list of names in column A and we have age in column B, and there are several font size. Okay, if I click on cell A2, our font size is 11. If I click on cell A4, our font size is 16, and if I click on cell A8, our font size is 28. How can you find and select cells with specific font size? In this scenario, how can I find and select all the cells that has a font size of 22? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Let's get started. So as you have understand the scenario, we don't want to use any complex VBA or any special feature. We are going to use our plain and simple find and replace feature. Okay. If I press Ctrl F on my keyboard, we have find. Okay. Now if I click on option and then click on format, now here you can see we have another button here, choose format from cell. If I click here, now it's asking for which cell I want to copy the format from, and you can see the mouse cursor has been changed. So as we wanted to find out how many cells has 22 font size, this cell has 22 font size. If I click here and it has copied. If I click on find all, and all the cell that has font size of 22 should be selected right now. Okay, now here James, this cell has font size of 16, and Kevin, this is 22 font size, you can see here. If I select here Rebecca, 22, Ethan, 22. So in this way you can select all the cells that has a specific font size or specific cell formatting. Now in the comment section, please let me know if you have heard of this technique before and where you have used it, and if this technique is new to you, make sure you leave a comment. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.